Welcome to Promat Australia. We pride ourselves on being the leading experts in passive fire protection, supplying the widest range of passive systems in Australia. Our extensive technical knowledge and international experience allows our national sales and distribution network to provide passive fire solutions to best meet your building requirements. Our manufacturing and research facilities based in our Australian headquarters, along with our globally recognised research and development program, contribute to positioning us as the leading industry expert. The PROMASTOP UniCollar is a versatile passive fire solution ideal for multiple pipe sizes and types. It is an intumescent device designed to maintain the integrity of the fire-resistant elements through which various plastic pipes pass. In the event of a fire, the intumescent material in the PROMASTOP UniCollar rapidly expands, closing off the plastic pipe or combustible insulation and forming an insulating barrier. PROMASTOP UniCollar is currently tested with many new and existing types of plastic using UPVC as a benchmark. Each PROMASTOP UniCollar is packed in individual boxes, each containing 2,250mm length of collar, or 150 segments, including fixing accessories. The collar is designed so that it can be cut and snapped in modules of 15mm. For a guide to the approximate number of collar sizes per strip, please refer to the user guide table located on the top of the box. To install the PROMASTOP UniCollar into floor slabs, measure the outside diameter of the plastic pipe. Use the Promat Collar Selector app to ensure your application is approved. Refer to the measurement table on the bottom of the box to determine how many strips and fixings will be required. Open the UniCollar box at the position clearly marked with an arrow and remove the box of accessories. Pull the sufficient amount of strip required for the collar. Cut through the Graphitex using a sharp knife. Bend the stainless steel outer casing at the cut mark until it snaps. Chamfer the Graphitex at each end of the strip to allow for a tight fit once collar is formed. Backfill any gap between the pipe and the concrete greater than 8mm wide with PromaSeal mortar. If the gap between the pipe and slab is less than 8mm, apply a bead of PromaSeal A acrylic sealant approximately 8mm deep into the gap on the underside of the slab. Place the UniCollar bracket to the end of the strip and clip around the pipe. To fasten the UniCollar, mark the locations for the brackets and drill to the required depth, about 20mm for this application. Insert steel anchors provided into the hole and hammer into place. The PROMASTOP UniCollar is a versatile passive fire solution. It has everything you need included in the box and can be used for wall, ceiling and slab installations. It is approved to protect a variety of pipe types, including but not limited to UPVC, HDPE, rail piano, PEX and Triplus, along with cable bunches and insulated metal pipes. It provides up to 240 minutes fire resistance with various plastic pipes up to 200mm outside diameter. It can also be installed around UPVC fittings for an FRL of up to -120/120 fire resistance. The patented Australian-made and manufactured product is designed to maintain the integrity and insulation of the fire-resistant elements through which the services pass. For smaller pipes, 32mm and below, the collar is available in a pre-made form known as PromaSeal Conduit Collar. A universal collar for multiple pipes, multiple sizes, multiple approvals, a must-have for plumbers, electricians and passive fire installers. Our technical support and sales team across the nation can assist with creating a passive fire solution to meet your individual building requirements. We specialise in tailoring our penetration systems to ensure that you save time and money, offering a one-stop shop system solution to complex passive fire protection issues. Contact our Promat Australia team for a no-obligation discussion or technical advice for your next project.